Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 4 lessons from a crypto millionaire that helped me multiply my crypto gaming portfolio and how you can do it too. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. 4 things a crypto millionaire taught me that helped me quadruple my crypto gaming portfolio. In the last 3 months, I've quadrupled the size of my crypto gaming portfolio. All of my profits came from microcaps, that is, tokens with a market capitalization of less than 50 million US dollars, and watching hours of Alex Becker's educational and funny investing videos. In this video, we will talk about what it means. The first is watch the market. It's not too late to start. Leave a little bit early, cut your risk, and keep playing. So, what to buy? Buying the story in a place where the basics are hard to find. Microcaps are a very risky investment. Still, 60% of my investments are in the top 25 coins. These lessons are great for people who just want to try it out. So now let's start. Bitcoin is first. Altcoins come after a few days or weeks. Alex has been paying close attention to how the market has changed over the last year. He has noticed that when Bitcoin goes up or down, all the altcoins follow with a slight delay. Get there a bit late, leave a little bit early, cut your risk, and keep playing. Your goal is to minimize risk and gain as much as possible. When the market as a whole is going up, you should aim for steady, big gains instead of risky, long short bets that might leave you with nothing. Even if the coin keeps going up in value, it's fine to sell after a 5 times pump. Because money is money. You want to be consistent, and this is how to do it. Look at Bitcoin. When it starts with a fresh reset, money will start coming in and altcoins will come after a short delay. Take the last round's AXS, ILV, or SAND as examples. This gap time is your golden period. Have a list of projects with good stories to keep an eye on. Go through your list when Bitcoin's price goes up and buy the ones that are still cheap. So have a list of good projects to keep an eye on all the time. When alt season starts, you can get them. Develop reliable information sources in your niche like Elio Trades, Alex Becker, etc. Listen to what they say about projects you can trust and do your own research. You should write them down and make a list of things to keep an eye on. Buy the narratives, and you are too early for sound fundamentals. At this point in a project's life cycle, almost all of them are in alpha or pre-revenue. So you are looking at how they market themselves, not what they sell. The next point is, do they have beautiful gameplay videos or character arts? Do they have a message that stands out? For example, the Steam of Crypto, the first AAA crypto game. Do they have a group of ambassadors that is strong and active, that is crypto raiders? Find out what the big stories are in your niche. For example, in crypto gaming, Ultra is equal to Steam of Crypto, Ultra, that is team of crypto. Illuvium, the first play to earn AAA game. Zebran, the crypto gambling pioneer. If you can do this right, you will see that there's a method to the madness. No more fear of missing out. And with that, I hope you have a good time hunting and please let me know what you find. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn the secret tricks. And don't also forget to like this video. Leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.